What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is BrookeEbonie. I upload videos about business, aesthetics, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. If you are here for that, then go ahead and subscribe. Be my friend, girl. You know you want to. Anyways, as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a BB lip brightening treatment. And what BB lips is pretty much just doing any type of serum or color with microneedling to the lips. And this video is featuring my husband. Shout out to him. But yeah, so I noticed that this is a pretty new trend in the US. I think they've been doing it for a while, like in Korea and in other areas. And that is the brightening serum that I'm going to be using. It's just a Meso Bright serum. But yeah, and I thought it was, it's a few people that I found on IG. I don't know, y'all. I don't think it's that popular here. But anywho, I'm going to be using my Derma Pen. I'm going to be using the 36 needle cartridge. I think I'm going to do it at about a 0.25 depth starting out. And of course, we did numb his lips first. I used a numbing cream called J-Cane. I'm going to pop it up on the screen if I can find a picture of it. But y'all, it's really, the one that I get is I think it's a 15% lidocaine cream. It really ain't even all of that. So, but over-the-counter numbing creams are really, really hard to find. Over-the-counter strong numbing creams, like what you would get if you were to go to the doctor or to the dentist or something like that. You ain't going to be able to get that over the counter. So I have been doing some research, and I did find a lidocaine cream. I think it was like 49%. It's a J-Cane cream as well, but it's got 49% lidocaine in it. And y'all, this is not a tutorial or anything like that. It's just me just showing y'all practicing the treatment. My husband does smoke. He has been smoking for a very long time, so his lips are significantly darker than somebody's lips that doesn't smoke. Dark lips can be caused by a lot of different things, though. You don't necessarily have to smoke if you have an autoimmune disease, hormone changes, overexposure to the sun. It can be a lot of different things that can cause dark lips. Of course, he would not, like he just would not, y'all. He was not going when I asked him if I could just do like the super light pink pigment. Cause I think, guys' lips are pink. Like what? Y'all, he wouldn't let me do it. So, but he would let me do the brightening serum. So, it does, from the class that I took, it does take more than one treatment to see good results, no matter what you are putting into the lips, whether it be a serum or BB cream or a pigment or whatever, because this is not lip blushing like with a tattoo gun. This is BB lips. It's something that you're doing with a Derma pen or a microneedling pen. So it's definitely not going to be that much of a significant difference. This is our first time doing this. So I don't really have any before and after photos to show, because I took a before and I don't want to take an after until after maybe the second treatment, but most definitely the third treatment. And let me throw in my little shameless plug, because y'all know, why not? I did drop my very first class, which is the needleless lipo injection training. It's a mini course. If you are looking to add something to your menu, or you are looking to get into the spa business, you can definitely take this course. Use code YouTube for 40% off, and the sale ends on December 31st. Check down in the description box. The link will be down there. But yeah, let's keep going. So with this, you'll apply your serum or your pigment or, whatever it is that you're using. Most of the time, you'll apply it the way I applied it all the way across, because serum doesn't really dry out that quickly. But with the pigment does. So I would say do, 1 or 2 little drops, and then go over that area where the drops are, and then go to the area next to it. I don't even know if that even made sense. Like I said, y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is just y'all watch me do a BB treatment. Because when I looked and looked and looked all on YouTube, there weren't really any BB lip treatment videos in English. So, and just from the research, because even though I take classes before I start doing new services and stuff, I still do a lot of research on that service, because, I just want to make sure that it's safe. I have to make sure that I'm able to perform it as an esthetician, or will I be able to perform it as a nurse? And I just want to slow it down so that way you guys can really see how the needles are creating the little channels for the serum to penetrate better and help, with the brightening process. And I did speed the video up if you guys didn't notice. This part is definitely slowed down, but the video was, or I may not have sped it up yet, but I am going to speed it up because y'all don't be watching my videos for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Like, my average view duration be like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I don't want to bore y'all to death. But this one right here, this particular clip here is definitely it's the regular speed. It's not sped up. So, and I'm depositing this serum using the punching method. Whenever you are doing the actual microneedle cartridges at a certain depth, you want to do it using the punching method and not like in a circular motion or in a straight across motion or something like that, because you don't want to tear the skin tissue too much in the lip area. I hope that makes sense. Like I said, y'all, this is definitely not a tutorial. So don't, you know what I'm saying? If you want to provide this service, make sure you purchase a class and take a class. Don't watch this video and just think that you just, like, oh, I can go. No, baby. Because I don't even think I'm making sense to myself trying to explain it. Like, I know what to do, but trying to explain it. So I highly would not recommend it, honey. This explanation is a little ghetto. But, okay, now I'm speeding it up. Because, like I said, I don't want to bore y'all. I just want y'all to see me do some new stuff. Like, being an esthetician is starting to become a little bit more... y'all, please ignore my husband. I have no idea why he is the way he is. Like, please ignore him. I just wanted y'all to be able to get like a better view of what I was doing, and, with the pen and everything. But back to what I was saying. Being an esthetician can be, is starting to become a little bit more competitive. And of course, everybody be like, oh, it's not a competition. It's enough money out here for everybody. But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? When more people start to, offer what you offer, you have to stand out. And in other words, the field is becoming saturated. You know what I'm saying? So, me being from Little Rock, we are not that vain of a city or a state. We don't have a whole lot of events here, so there's really not that much of a reason for everybody to get, dressed up and do anything besides their hair and nails. Like, we still stuck on that here in Little Rock. Brazilian waxing is becoming very much more popular than what it was. So I would say maybe we still, as long as our hair, nails, and our coochie is waxed, we good. So it's not that vain of a state. So it's definitely not a situation where I could do no advertising and my book's going to be full. That's not the case. No, baby, I got to put some effort in and I got to really show, get in there and show results. And then I have to do things that is going to wow people. Like, you have to have a wow factor in business. You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, from the research that I have done, and y'all, when I say your girl is like the FBI, honey, I does my research. I don't think anybody else here is offering it. And that's how I make myself stand out in my city. You know what I'm saying? Just a little free game. If you made it this far in the video, comment free game. You know what I'm saying? Just a little free game. You have to make yourself stand out. You know what I'm saying? Make yourself become the obvious choice. Like, stay 10 steps ahead. I was finna stay a step ahead, but no, baby, stay 10 steps ahead. You know what I'm saying? I feel like everybody here, because at first my standout was the body contouring. Y'all, when I say nobody else, like 5 years ago when I started doing the non-invasive body contouring here, nobody else was doing it. But now it's like a body contouring studio on every corner here in Little Rock. So it's like, okay, what's next? You know what I'm saying? Not saying that nobody is copying me. I don't think that at all. Like I said, it's enough money out here for all of us. Me, myself, personally, when I'm trying to get things done, or when I'm trying anything I'm trying to do, I like a variety. I want to be able to choose. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad at nobody, but I'm just saying, like, this is just my way of standing out, is to make scroll stopping. Like, this is a scroll stopping service because it's so new and ain't nobody else here doing it, and ain't nobody else here really heard of it. You know what I'm saying? But I will say that it's a lot of girls here that smoke, and like I said, it could be hormonal issues or whatever. So we got some girls with some pretty dark lips, and baby, if you want to fix that, come see me. If you in Little Rock and you watch me, honey, the link will be down in the description. You want to get your lips brighter, you want to get that pretty pearl pink look, click the link down in the description box. I got you. But yeah, so that is, and I really enjoy doing this. Like, this is what really got me more into microneedling. It really is a game changer for skin. And it's really something that, you know what I'm saying, I feel like it's not very popular here either. So, like, I don't know. I guess it just comes from being a nurse. Like, y'all, it's needles and you're puncturing skin. Oh, my God. I hope I don't sound like a psycho. Whew. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like how people be like, how can you wax all day, every day? It's like I'm ripping the hair out of the skin. Like, and it's just, something's changing afterwards. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a satisfaction. Like, I guess, I'm making a difference. I don't even know. Y'all, your girl it's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. Look, let me change the subject. Merry Christmas to all of you all out there. I am done with all of the gift unwrapping, cleaning up the paper afterwards and all of that. So I was like, let me sit down. It's been, I think I'm rolling up on 5 days since I last posted. And I said that I was going to come up with my goal was every 3 days. So let me sit down. Let me make sure I'm sticking with it. Yeah, life happens, but this is something that I really want to do. I hope you all enjoy it. Merry Christmas. If you made it this far in the video, honey, comment Esty Bestie down below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of that good stuff. Go follow me on Instagram. Turn my Instagram up. All of them, y'all. And y'all have a good rest of the night. And if you're not watching this on Christmas Day, Happy New Year. Happy holidays, blah, blah, blah. Bye.